sister, and then this sister,
Nasaan yung iba kong ganyan?
and my uncle,
Ay, ganyan.
and my aunt.
Andiyan daw.
Sa.
Nasaan yung dalawang kapatid niya na yung wala, yung lalaki?
Wala.
เหมือนพิธีบูชาอะไรบางอย่าง
Dapat sila po siya kaya yung buong at yung picture. Dapat nasa picture lang. Short hair era niya na. Ay, wolf cut yun, di ba?
รู้ว่าสวรรค์
Short hair talaga yun. Well, alam ko na po wolf
ก็
cut
เลย
yun.
รู้สึกว่าภาพนั้นไว้ก็คอยเดินไทยคนรุ่นหลัง
Yung mga certificate ate, di ba nakita?
Mama, yung ano,
Saan?
para sama-sama na dito. Diyan nakalagay sa block.
Aray ko.
Wala mama yung ibang medal.
Saan?
Mama.
Oh, nandyan. Binigay ko na sa'yo yung ano ito.
Nandiyan na lahat yung mga medyo na nakasabi, hindi lang ng sayo.
Look. Di ba isa yung gato mong green? Tapos may binigay pa ako kay ating isa.
Magkakasama ko lahat yung mga nakasabi.
I'm not showing you the monster part. My teeth is scared.
Mayroon kang dalawang gato. Meron
But I
mayroon akong dalawang gato.
I'm very hard to move.
May picture
Yeah,
nga ako
I got
ng ganito kung mga
confidence.
medals.
Yan na yun lahat. Sama-sama.
Kasi pinagsama mo, girl.
Wala na iba.
Any jump scares comes out, I'm gonna be scared a little. I know I haven't posted for a while now, guys, for a few days.
May ano pang pala dito
Because
papa.
Saan yung mga certificate?
because my
Yung
dad
extension
wanted
sa
to
sabi ko sa'yo,
stay
meron ako extension.
here to stay with
Wala akong USB yan.
mom's house here for
Oh my
a
gosh.
few days. And I don't think it's a few
Tapos
days.
sinama niya. Parang gulay.
Balik sa! Ano na?
There's the creaking now.
Asan natin sinabi?
That's
Saan nakatabi?
I'm not showing you the blood right now. There's no blood right now. I'm just
Ang ilalim.
showing you the full part. Okay. Part 2 is coming soon. And for me, there's blood.
Excuse me, like.
And I gotta get up because my sisters are up to the divine room.
Divine room?
Yeah.
Ito sa akin. Ay, akin. Diyan mo lang.
And the video is gonna end.